how to link WhatsApp to another phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp account to another phone so that then you can use the same WhatsApp account on an additional phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have WhatsApp installed on the phone that we want to link to our WhatsApp account. So once you get it installed, open it up and select agree and continue. And then once it asks you for your phone number, select the three dots in the top right and select link as companion device. It'll then give you a QR code where on the phone that currently has our WhatsApp account, open up the WhatsApp app and then select you in the bottom menu. And then in the menu, scroll down and select linked devices. From there, select link a device and then select OK. And all you need to do is capture that QR code and then it will start logging in to that other phone. As you can see, it's looking for your chats and it'll start gathering that information about your account. So give it some time to transfer the information to the new phone. And then there you go. I now have the same account on two phones. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.